There is a door, and it is open every hour of the day, only for your English. A simple door you can enter any time, morning, afternoon, or late at night. Today, we talk about how to practice English conversation every day and how you can speak English with ChatGPT in the easiest way. Hello, my wonderful learners. Welcome back to English Unlocked, the podcast. I'm Emma, and I'm happy you are here with me today. Many learners tell me, I want to practice English daily, but I don't have a partner. Maybe no one around you speaks English. Maybe you feel shy when you try to talk. Maybe you don't know what to say. This is very normal. Speaking needs time, and it needs a safe space. But you don't have to feel alone, because that open door is real. ChatGPT can be your ChatGPT English partner or your calm AI English tutor. It listens to you. It uses easy English sentences when you ask. It corrects your words gently, and it never judges your mistakes. This is real English conversation practice you can use anytime. 1 minute is enough. 5 minutes is enough. This is practice English daily in a simple, natural way. You don't need long lessons. You only need simple English conversation that feels safe and light. This is true, comfortable English practice. No pressure, no stress. Just small steps that build English speaking confidence. And if you are new to English, don't worry. ChatGPT is great for English for beginners, and it also helps very well with ChatGPT for shy learners. You can speak slowly. You can ask simple questions. You can repeat anything until it feels natural. So take a soft breath. Relax your shoulders. You are inside that open door now. You are learning. And I am right here with you. And if you want to take one tiny step today, you can write one short sentence in the comments. It can be your first message with ChatGPT, or one small sentence about your day. Don't worry about mistakes. I am here to support you. You are not alone. You are learning, and I am right here with you. Now let's talk about how to start real conversations with ChatGPT. Many learners feel stressed before they speak. They think, what should I say? What if my sentence is wrong? What if I cannot continue? But speaking with ChatGPT is different. It is simple, it is slow, and it gives you space to think. Here is the easiest way to begin your English speaking practice. Just type one short sentence like, I want English conversation practice, or I want to practice English daily. Please speak slowly. When you write this, you are telling ChatGPT exactly what you need. It understands your level. It uses easy English sentences. It follows your speed. And it keeps the conversation simple. If you need more help, you can also say, please be my ChatGPT English partner, or please be my AI English tutor and correct me. These sentences open the door to a real practice session. ChatGPT will answer you like a friendly partner. It will ask you questions. It will invite you to continue. And you can reply in short and simple English. For example, ChatGPT might ask, what did you do today? How was your morning? What do you like to eat? These questions are great for simple English conversation. When you answer, don't try to be perfect. Use short sentences. Use easy words. Pause when you need. This is English speaking without pressure. If something feels too hard, you can say, please use simple English, or please make the question easier. ChatGPT will help immediately. If you need confidence, remember this. Every small answer helps your English speaking confidence grow. Every short message is practice. Every minute counts. So start small, start slow. Ask for help when you need it. This is how you build comfortable, safe, and real English practice every day. Now let's talk about something many learners worry about, mistakes. When you speak English, it is normal to make mistakes. It happens to everyone, even native speakers. So please don't feel bad when you say something wrong. The good news is this: ChatGPT can correct your grammar in a calm and friendly way. You can ask for help anytime. Just write a simple line like, "Please correct my sentence," or "Please show me the right grammar." When you do this, ChatGPT will fix your sentence and give you a clean example. It will not make you feel uncomfortable. It will not judge you. It only helps you learn. For example, if you write, "I go work yesterday," ChatGPT might say, "You can say I went to work yesterday." And that's it. Simple, clear, and easy to understand. This is why many learners use ChatGPT for daily English speaking practice. It gives corrections fast. It explains grammar in simple English sentences. And it keeps the conversation friendly. You can also ask for easier English when the text feels hard. Just write, "Please use simple English conversation," or "Please make your answer shorter." ChatGPT will immediately change the level for you. This helps A1 to A2 learners stay calm and confident. When the language is simple, your mind relaxes. You understand more. You answer faster. You feel stronger during your English conversation practice. If you want to build a daily habit, start very small. Ask one question each morning. Answer one question at night. That is enough to practice English daily. Even 5 short messages help your English grow. They help your grammar become clearer. They help your speaking become easier. This is how you build real progress, one small step at a time. And remember, mistakes are not a problem. Mistakes are signs that you are learning, you are trying, and you are moving forward. And don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes show that you are learning. If you want to practice, write one short sentence in the comments. You can ask a question, or you can just say hello. I'm here. Our community is here. We can learn together, one small step at a time. Now let's talk about something that makes your speaking easier: choosing a topic. Many learners say, "I don't know what to talk about." But the truth is simple. You can talk about anything from your real life. ChatGPT is great for this. It never runs out of ideas. It can ask questions. It can follow your answers. And it can help you continue the conversation. One easy way to begin your simple English conversation is to choose a familiar topic. For example, you can talk about food. What do you like to eat? What did you cook today? What is your favorite snack? Or you can talk about travel. Where do you want to go? What places do you like? What was your last trip? You can also talk about work or school. What do you do each day? What is easy for you? What is difficult for you? Hobbies are very good for English conversation practice too. What do you enjoy in your free time? Do you read? Do you draw? Do you play a sport? These topics are simple. They help you speak in easy English sentences. They help you relax. And they help your sentences become smoother. If you want ChatGPT to guide the conversation, you can say, "Please ask me one question," or "Please ask me simple questions about my day." ChatGPT will help you continue the talk. It will give you friendly questions. It will repeat things when you ask. And it will support your English speaking confidence. Try to answer with short and clear sentences. Don't worry about long words. Don't worry about mistakes. Just think about your real life and give simple answers. If the questions feel hard, you can say, "Please make it easier," or "Please use simple English." This creates comfortable English practice for your daily routine. You feel calm, you feel safe, and you feel ready to try again tomorrow. A small conversation each day can change your speaking. You understand more. You answer faster. You feel stronger. And remember, every topic you choose is a new step forward. Before we finish today, let me share something important about English fluency practice. Many learners ask me, "Emma, how do I know if my English is getting better?" The answer is simple: when you can learn English with AI and feel comfortable doing it. When you start using ChatGPT regularly, you begin to notice small changes. Your English conversation topics become easier to discuss. Your sentences flow more naturally, and your confidence grows day by day. This is real English fluency practice happening naturally. You don't need to study grammar books. You don't need perfect pronunciation. You just need consistent practice with your AI English partner. Remember, every conversation is English fluency practice. Every question you ask builds your speaking skills. Every answer you give strengthens your confidence. This is how real learning happens, through natural, comfortable conversation. Now let's talk about one small challenge you can start today. This challenge is simple, and it will help your English speaking grow faster. Here it is. Each day, ask ChatGPT one short question and answer one short question from ChatGPT. That's all, just 2 small steps. This builds real English speaking practice without stress. It helps you stay active. It helps you think in English. And it makes practice English daily feel easy and natural. For example, you can ask, "What is a good breakfast? What can I do after work? What is something interesting today?" And when ChatGPT asks you something, try to answer with easy English sentences. You don't need long answers. You don't need perfect grammar. You only need to try. This challenge is simple, but it helps your English speaking confidence grow every day. Small steps, short answers, and real practice. If you want more ideas, you can say, "Please ask me a question about food. Please ask me a question about travel. Please ask me simple English conversation questions." ChatGPT will help instantly. And if you feel shy, remember, ChatGPT is your calm partner. It listens. It waits. It never judges. This is true, comfortable English practice. You don't need a big plan. You don't need long lessons. You only need small daily actions, and you are already doing that. I am proud of your effort today. You showed up. You tried. And that is real progress. So take one small step tomorrow. Ask one question, answer one question, and let your English grow. And if you want, you can write one short sentence in the comments. Anything you want. A greeting, a question, or your first answer from today's challenge. I'm here and I'm reading every message. My wonderful learners, thank you for spending this time with me today. You practiced. You tried. You took one more step toward confident English, and that is something to be proud of. Remember, your English does not grow in one big day. It grows from small daily actions. One short question, one small answer, one simple moment of practice. If this episode helped you, you can support the channel in 3 easy ways. Like the video, subscribe, and leave one short comment. Even one simple sentence matters. You can repeat this episode anytime. Repetition makes your English stronger. Repetition builds confidence. Repetition helps your voice feel natural. I am Emma, and I'm truly proud of your effort today. You are moving forward step by step, day by day. You are not alone. I am here with you. Goodbye for now, and remember, keep learning, keep practicing, and stay with love. This is English Unlocked, the podcast.